the precision brush, you know, I'm just like wipe it up with a lot of my, I think, gels or whatever. So this is really cool that if you don't have any like a light brush, you can absolutely use it from this. And I'm gonna do this. Just take off most of the gels off from the brush. And gonna start drawing a rose, but in a black for the theme, like more in fall and Halloween. You can do really pretty much of whatever you would like. It doesn't have to be in black colors. So I am gonna draw the rose, which is really simple, and I'm gonna share with you and how simple it is. So basically you can just using this and just draw more like a, look like a half moon stroke. Is the basicest one for you to draw. And hey Rosa, how are you? Yes, the matte top coat. I apply the matte top coat. You can do a shiny top coat as well. Hey Maya. And also you can draw pumpkin. You can draw however you would like. Okay, so I'll make sure that I'm not gonna missing any ones on Facebook. I don't know why I couldn't share on Facebook though. Hold on. Thank you, Dom, for tuning in on Facebook. Can make this a little bit in the middle. When I move and I look at both phone, I didn't see that. So now I'm gonna perfect this again. The matte on the orange. It's really cool though. Oh, I can't wait to see like Dom creates with all of your cool goodie things. So I'm gonna get to a little bit more. And now you can go back and perfect your cute like petals right here. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. This is gonna be so cool and simple. I'm gonna do another ones, the smaller ones on the side. So pigmented, and it's not like the consistency is so amazing. So then you can draw with really confidence. Like I'm not really amazing or perfect with drawing, but I can absolutely do it. And then we did the videos with the butterflies before I did. You can look it back in the gel painting section on our IGTV series. You see a lot of cool things that we can draw with this precision brush gel painting and sugaring glitter. What color did you get for sugaring glitter? Tom, did you get the orange one? I'm excited. Oh, this one you put orange on, it looks cute too. But I'm gonna put the... So don't worry about if you go into different petals. Sorry, I moved my hand a lot. Don't worry, because you're gonna go back and perfect it. You're gonna give it more pressures in the middle, because you're gonna get your petals a little bit thicker look, so it's more as natural. Then you release, like a press and release, so it give it like a softer strokes. This is perfect for beginners when you start playing with like gel painting. Oh, Karen's good. Okay. Just pretend that you're doing your homework or whatever. You have to be on computer. Karen, did you receive your prize yet? So if you want to get all nails to be like really rose like designs up, you can absolutely do all this, and then you can cure. Let me try to see. Hey, definitely I'm not artist like Dom and my wonderful hubby, but hey, at least I try. Let me go. Ah, yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait. Feel like Christmas coming. If any of you are winning the prize from Glitz, make sure you email us. If we miss anyone, don't be upset. Just email us again. Sometimes your emails might not go in direct to us. It's somehow, some way, I don't know. I can't answer that. It's happened to me a lot with sometimes my mails that I was sending out will be in the spam folder. Just email us again. But if you are winning, make sure you email, contact us to claim your prize. It's so much fun, and thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying it, learn so much, and winning's a gift. How wonderful is that? You know why we're doing a lot of this? Because we appreciate every single of you, and it's kind of a give back to our communities. So that's it. Someone have to win it. You don't want to win it all. I don't know. I feel like I'm missing something. Maybe I'm good. I'm so used to with heavy like crystals and drawing. I will not gonna stop until my nails are completely filled up. So, okay. So this is perfect for beginner. You know why I'm telling you? Because you absolutely can hold this precision brush and just really like drawing it. I'm saying drawing is super easy because I'm not good at it, and I can do it. You can absolutely do it. And you can go back, and it's not running, so it's really consistency. It's not running at all. Okay, so it's wherever you draw, it stay right there until you're ready to cure. So now, if you really like enjoying this, love this, just absolutely cure it, and you should be good. Remove tacky layer, you're fine. But I am going to do our sugaring. The black sugaring, I don't know how I'm playing it. If you want to do like the orange, then you can do the orange drawing. and sugaring with the orange. Sugaring glitter. Or you can put this. If you want this, you can put it on the top of that, the black one too. But I want to try the black one and see. You can see it with me and see how it's gonna be. That's what it look like. And before you cure, don't cure anything yet. It's still wet. And I did have a matte top coat on that first before I draw my roses here, to avoiding this glitter gonna stick on my tacky layer. So I'm finish it with a matte top coat. It's suede matte. And or if you don't want matte, you can absolutely put the no wipe top coat on. Make sure it's the tack free, so then that way it won't sticky on your nails. So I'm gonna just like sprinkle a couple more times to make sure it's getting to my gel polish, gel painting. Tap it down. If you want to keep the, if you want, you can sprinkle it on the tray. Me a little bit making messy right now, because I didn't think that I was like making that mess. Okay, so cure for 60 seconds.
And yes, Lori, we do have sugar. So just go into dramatic glitter. I'll just tap in sugar glitter in the search box. It pop up for you.
This is so cool, and you can do so many with this. You can close it. Today is gonna be so awesome, basics, stunning. Everybody's seeing like pumpkins, a lot of pumpkins, a lot of Halloween stuff. So I'm gonna do this still like in fall, like Halloween theme, but a little bit different, like roses and stuff. So it's making fun. But you can do the same concept and draw your pumpkins. Pumpkins is easy. Thank you, Laurie. Okay. So I got one of this on this side. So I want to show you something. It's the same with techniques I draw. And I'm gonna using this one I did put, which is black gel painting, and then one is the gel polish. You can see one's like kind of a lighter, it's gel painting, and then kind of runny. This one is, I mean, gel polish, and this one is Glitz gel painting, and it's really like solid. So let's see how these ones are turning. So I'm using my unicorn brush and just brush it off. There you go. Dust it up in the middle. So it's when we remove all of the glitters wherever it doesn't have a gels.